Kita sudah bersedia dengan peserta ataupun pasukan yang pertama, iaitu KCH S002 Muhammad Khairul Nasir bin Saadi. Tapi yang pitchingnya adalah team member, iaitu Zulfaqar. Assalamualaikum Zulfaqar.
Waalaikumsalam.
Alhamdulillah, baik. Sihat ke?
Sehat.
Sihat. Dah bersedia?
Ya.
Sedia. Jadi projek kumpulan Zulfaqar ataupun Muhammad Khairul Nasir ini bertajuk Report Jak. Betul?
Betul. Report Jak.
Report Jak. Okey, baiklah. Saya akan memberikan anda masa berharga selama 5 minit bermula daripada sekarang.
Okay, thank you. Welcome the judges and everyone to Hackathon 2020. So we are in Team Bina 1. We want to provide a digital solution for road maintenance. So when we look at the issue that we are facing today, are we happy with this kind of roads? Is this safe for everyone? This is not safe for everyone. This is the problem. However, the real issue is that there is so many roads to manage. There is urban road, rural road, highway. There is so many of them. It's hard to track everything. To add to the problem, there is no standard reporting channel. It is difficult to track public report. There is a bureaucracy process and there is a lack of interest for certain community to make a proper report, and there is no shared responsibility within the community. So in our solution, we want to bring the community at the center of everything. Here, we bring the community together with us as a solution. So this is Report Jak, a citizen science reporting platform. Report Jak comes from a Sarawak phrase. It is a very catchy phrase. It means just report. Oh, report saja. Report Jak sia. So this Report Jak is actually a mobile system that have the capability to help the public to submit a report automatically or manually. So the system design is quite simple. We have a dashcam which capture the real-time event, and then we have a AI engine to translate and process the information, and then it will relay the information to our reporting tools, Report Jak, all in one place. So while you are driving, you don't need to stop and make a report. You just let Report Jak auto-generated the report for you in real time. It remember the location and it will remember everything for you. So the system flow, it starts with the dashcam. It will capture the pothole, for example. So there will be an emergency alert. It will remember the location and it will process all the information and send it to the AI engine to process all the information. So the auto-generated report that processed by the AI engine will be relayed back to the mobile app's Report Jak by using Bluetooth 5.0. And then the auto-generated report or manual report will be sent to the internet, and subsequently it will go to the cloud server and it will be presented nicely in the web dashboard. And it also will be sent to the related agency for further action. And the idea of our Report Jak app's mobile application is that we want to capture all types of road failure. And at each stage of the report, everything will be auto-generated. So in Report Jak mobile apps application, this will be a user-friendly dashboard. The auto-generated report and real-time event mapping will be generated so that it will help other road user to notify with bad road condition. Live photo mapping also will be there so that people can see how the road looks like. And then the manual report also is there. In Report Jak, the report can be viewed by everybody. You can view it and share it with the community, and provided that we give a real-time event monitoring. We hope that the agency will give a real-time response for this quick action to solve this problem. And we also provide a gaming system in the form of rewards and ratings so that there will be a continuous engagement by the public with the ReportJa apps mobile application. So our business model is we want to incorporate ReportJa in the smart car industry. And all the data statistics can be used by the maintenance and certification agency. And we want the public to participate in a crowdsourcing environment. And e-hailing also will be benefit because they know the best good information from the ReportJa information. And then the ReportJa also will have add-ins for our business model. So in our solution, we want the community as a solution. Instead of solving a problem on the community, we, by using ReportJa, are solving a problem with the community. So this is our team member coming from diverse background, and thank you for your attention.
Terima kasih kumpulan Khairul Nasir dengan pitchersnya Zulfaka dengan projek mereka ReportJa yang bermaksud report sahaja. Okey, betul kan maksudnya Zulfaka?
Ya,
Okey,
ya betul,
baiklah.
ReportJa ya.
Yes. Jadi kita beri peluang kepada mana-mana hakim terlebih dahulu untuk menanyakan soalan kepada Zulfaka. Dipersilakan.
Hi, Daniel here. So I want to know, why do you want to use like a dash cam? And first thing first, like how viable is it to use the dash cam to your Arduino, then you Bluetooth it over to the app? And why you decide not to just like, for example, use the app as a dash cam? Like what's your reasoning behind it?
Maybe
I will answer this question. Because we are going to capture the road continuously. Instead of using the phone is actually not designed to do that kind of thing. If you continuously on your camera from the phone, is actually you use it for other things as well. At the same time, if you on the camera for a long time, your camera will be overheat. Definitely will be overheat. But if you use the dash cam, yes, you can run it because it's designed that way. And we use the AI engine to process the information from the dash cam, and it will send back to the our mobile app through the networking such as Bluetooth. And the thing is, we can collaborate with smart car industries, the one that developed the smart car, and we can actually integrate with the system as well. Is that answering your question?
Just want to know, if you are doing all this interfacing, there's so many different models of webcam and so many, dash cam, and so many different things. How are you going to distribute your equipment to every single car or as many participants as possible?
Yeah, the thing is, if the camera can provide an output to the, let's say, using cable USB or maybe through wireless, that's the thing is, if the dash cam can have a capability of networking to some other systems such as the Raspberry Pi, Arduino, this is not an issue. So we're going to support that kind of camera.
All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Ada soalan lain?
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah, hi. Morning, guys. Well done there. So I just want to ask, because your problem addresses make it easy for the citizens to report, right? So
Yeah.
Although I would imagine that government actually currently has many ways to report, so you make it easier for that. What about the feedback from the back end, let's say from the ministry, the agency? How do you make it easier for them to do their jobs as well?
Actually, we're planning to do it on our own system. But the thing is, we have already existing system in the market because the government already have Telehikmat. For example, we can integrate with the system. Why we want to build something that already there? We just integrate. Then it will be faster for us because Telehikmat have a turnaround time. When we report something, they have turnaround time. If they don't meet that time, the report will be they will always trigger something that because the state have to respond for that particular problem. In the set limit, let's say 3 days or 1 week. So we don't need to cater that thing. We just integrate. That's our plan.
Okay. And what would your value proposition be to these agencies or ministries so that they will want to adopt your system?
Yeah, we will implement rating system to the agencies actually. Let's say JKR Sarawak have a lot of contractor and they don't know. They only said that the job is already done, but actually if you send somebody to check and then after a while the road is damaged again, meaning that the quality is not there. We bring in the public, give the report for that thing, so they will give rating. Let's say if we tap on the map, our map, there's a road information. We have the contractor who is responsible for that road. What is the condition, and they give the rating for that performance, so they know.
Okay, good.
Okey. Terima kasih tim Muhammad Khairul Nasir dan juga pitchersnya Zulfaka atas sesi pitching, dan juga terima kasih juga kepada juri untuk sesi Q&A itu sebentar tadi. Jadi mungkin kumpulan Khairul Nasir dah boleh makan nasi lemak dan memulakan hari anda seterusnya sambil kita menunggu pada petang nanti majlis penyampaian hadiah. InsyaAllah good luck untuk tim report Jak. Okay, you have done your good job. Jadi seterusnya kita akan memasuki pasukan yang kedua, tapi sebelum itu kita akan berhenti rehat seketika. Jangan lupa untuk share Facebook Live Final Pitch Day MyHackathon 2020 lokasi Kuching, tema Bina Negara. Kembali lagi selepas ini.